Hey guys, you're welcome to this video. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel. So as you could tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving my first impressions of a 14-inch laptop from Infinix, the Inbook X1, and also comparing it with the Inbook X2. They are actually very similar laptops. So let's get to it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we begin, do hit that like button so more people get to see this video. Now let's start off with the design. The Inbook X1 and X2 are identical in design. They both have a dual textured lid. The distinctive band at the top has a more polished finish with a brush texture. The Infinix logo is fairly small, and I did notice slight fingerprint smudges. They are both available in these colors. I think most people will stick to the gray color option. The keyboard is nice. It is comfortable to type on, but I wish it had longer travel distance. The keyboard layout is decent overall. It is backlit and you can choose between two levels of brightness. The trackpad is okay. It's quite big, which is good. Gestures are cleanly recognized. The trackpad is good enough. The Inbook X1 weighs 1.48 kilograms, which is a little heavier than some of its competitors. However, it's only 6.3 millimeters thick, and overall it's very portable. The metal body feels quite solid. The screen does wobble slightly, but the hinge feels firm, and you can push the screen all the way back so it lies flat 180 degrees. The webcam is up top. It's a 720p webcam. On the left, you'll find an HDMI port, a USB 3.0 Type A port, two USB 3.1 Type C ports, only one of which can be used for charging, and a physical switch to disable the webcam, which is an interesting touch and works exactly as you'd expect. There is another USB 3.0 Type A port as well as a USB 2.0 port on the right, alongside with a micro SD card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a security lock slot. These are the same ports you find in the Inbook X2, although they are arranged differently. There are speakers at the bottom of the laptop. They are stereo speakers, and this is how they sound. Hey guys, how's it going? So Infinix sent over one of their latest earbuds for review, the Infinix XE21. It's a 14-inch notebook like I mentioned earlier. So we have a 14-inch 1080p display with a 60Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of peak brightness, and 100% sRGB color gamut. The Inbook X1 battery capacity is 55 watts, and Infinix promises 13 hours of video playback time, plus charging to 70% in 55 minutes with the 65 watts adapter it comes with. While the Inbook X2 has a 50 watt-hour battery with a 45 watt adapter in the box, charging for 1 hour will get you to 60%. So the X1 has better battery life and faster charging. Surprisingly, Infinix has gone with Intel's 10th gen processors and not the current 11th gen. The Inbook X1 is available with either the dual-core Core i3 or quad-core Core i5. For the Core i7, you need to get the Inbook X1 Pro. And the X2 is available with Core i3, Core i5, or the Core i7. While not the latest or fastest of Intel's offerings, these should still be quite competent. You can get between 8 to 16 GB of RAM on any of these laptops and up to a 512 GB SSD. The Inbook X1 has the Intel UHD integrated GPU, while the Inbook X2 has a more powerful Iris Plus GPU. The Inbook X1 ships with Windows 10, but the Inbook X2 ships with Windows 11. However, the X1 can easily be updated to Windows 11. So the X2 will provide slightly better graphics performance and newer software out of the box. Infinix has managed to hit a pretty low price point for slim and light laptops with an all-metal build, backlit keyboard, and a 14-inch display. There are a few convenient features such as the webcam switch and the USB Type-C fast charging. This obviously isn't the right laptops for gamers or anyone who needs serious processing power for 4K video content creation or high graphic intensive work. However, if you're a student, professional, or even a home user who just wants to cover the basics of productivity and entertainment and communication, the Inbook X1 and X2 are two great choices. Anyway, do let me know what you think of the Inbook X1 and X2 laptops. Do you consider any one of them to be your next laptop? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give this video a like and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload my next video. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.